Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RVLT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. Actually, a great winner for the chat room that I'm part of. I alerted it at that 36-cent breakout, and then from 36, literally ran like 150% in less than 30 minutes, which was pretty crazy. But overall, a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward, so let's map out areas of support and resistance. First level of support, pretty well established now, is right here around the 52-cent mark. You can see numerous times this afternoon the price was hovering right around that area. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a good job of holding up above there, so good to see that. In the event this 52-cent mark cannot hold up, then the next level you would want to turn your attention to is that purple line, which on my chart is denoting the 50-period moving average. Right now the value is at 35 cents, but keyword being moving. So as Friday plays out, that line will move itself higher and higher. Therefore, that value over there is going to move and change. So my point is that if 52 cents does break, then you're just going to have to get a little bit more, proactive as a trader and take an inventory check on what the current value of that 50-period moving average is if it breaks. Now, of course, if 52 cents doesn't break, then yeah, you don't really have to worry about that 50-period moving average anymore. But if it does, then yeah, you would want to, take an inventory check of the current value of it. Now, what about, if this is indeed the level of support and the price starts to head back up, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. First level of resistance in the near term, going to be right here at the 69-70 cent mark. If the price can push up through that level, the next key mark right up there around the 80-cent mark. I realize the price did go up there and hit 92, but I think, these levels are more so the truer levels. I mean, if you can get good high volume breaks of those, then at that point, while no such thing as a guarantee, it wouldn't be shocking to see the price then go up to test 92 cents, if not break even further up above it. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today. A lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one on Friday, so let's see how it continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.